Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. If you're looking for legitimate work from home jobs, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing remote customer service roles that are hiring right now. So stay tuned and let's find your next opportunity. Our first role is coming from Globe Life as a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this position is answer calls and assist policyholders with policy coverage, claims, and payment questions. You will process customer requests received by phone, email, and correspondence, as well as maintain accurate policy information. You will provide professional, high-quality customer service while handling confidential information. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, strong customer service and phone skills, at least 1 year of office experience is preferred. They would like to see 30 words per minute typing speed and also strong communication, organization, and problem solving skills. So this is a great remote opportunity for customer service professionals looking to grow in the industry of insurance. So you will receive excellent benefits, career development opportunities, and paid training. So if you're interested with the customer service representative with Globe Life, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Labcorp as a customer service support representative. For this role, it is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Training would be Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what you would do in this role is answer 80 plus inbound calls from patients, doctor's office, and insurance companies daily. You will assist patients with billing questions and set up payment plans, as well as research and resolve patient accounts questions using multiple systems. You will meet performance goals while providing excellent customer service. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of customer service experience. They would like to see call center, medical billing, or insurance claim experience, which is preferred. For this role, the application does close on July the 31st, and the pay range starts at $17 ending at $21, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity for anyone with customer service or healthcare experience looking to work from home. So if you are interested in the customer service support representative with Labcorp, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Humana as an inbound contacts representative. This is a full-time remote role available in 28 locations. So if you're within these 28 locations and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So what you would do in this role, you will answer 40 plus inbound calls daily from members and healthcare providers, as well as assist with benefit questions, service issues, and general questions. You will document customer interactions and escalate complex concerns when needed. You must meet quality, productivity, and customer service goals while providing that customer service. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, a minimum of 2 years of customer service experience. You must reside in Central or Eastern time zone, and they would like to see inbound call center or healthcare experience is preferred. So training will start August 2026. It will last up to 6 weeks for 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. For this role, the salary does start at $39,000 and then at $49,000, which all depends on your location and experience. This is a great opportunity for experienced customer service professionals looking for a stable remote role with a leading healthcare company. So if you're interested in the inbound contacts representative position with Humana, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Sharecare as a family health advocate. This is a full-time remote role. The start date is September the 14th. The shift is Monday through Friday between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Training for the first 4 weeks is 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. The pay is $22 an hour. So what you would do in this role is assist members by phone and chat with benefit claims, provider searches, and healthcare navigation. You will help resolve issues related to insurance, pharmacy, spending accounts, and appeals, as well as educate members on their health benefits and connect them with community resources. You will also coordinate with providers, insurance plans, and clinical teams to improve member outcomes. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, healthcare experience, or an associate's degree in a healthcare related field. You must have customer service experience in a healthcare setting and strong communication, typing, and problem solving skills. So, this is a great opportunity for candidates with healthcare support experience who enjoy helping others. Again, this role does pay $22 an hour. So, if you're interested in the Family Health Advocate with Sharecare, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role is a customer service representative with Premier Blue Cross. This is a full-time remote role within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will answer inbound and outbound calls from members and healthcare providers, as well as resolve questions about benefits, claims, and coverage while aiming for first call resolution. You will also research and document customer interactions and escalate complex issues when needed, as well as protect sensitive member information and meet quality and performance goals. This schedule is Monday through Friday, an 8-hour shift between the hours of 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. There are 12 weeks of paid virtual training, and of course, you will work from home full-time 40 hours a week. So what you would need is a high school diploma or GED, 2 years of customer service experience, strong communication, computer and multitasking skills, and they would like to see experience in healthcare, insurance, and claims and call center. For this role, the pay does start at $38,000 and then at $57,000, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity for customer service professionals looking to grow into the healthcare industry. So if you're interested with the customer service representative with Premier Blue Cross Blue Shield, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Sharecare as a medical record specialist. This is a full-time remote role within the United States. So what you will do in this role is process medical records release requests while ensuring HIPAA compliance. You will retrieve, scan, validate, and securely transmit medical records. You will also perform quality checks for accuracy and confidentiality. You will respond to customer questions and provide excellent service through a records request process. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 years of medical records experience and strong Microsoft Word and Excel skills. They would like to see a typing speed of 50 words per minute with strong organization and multitasking skills. So this is an excellent remote opportunity for candidates with medical records or health information management experience. So if you enjoy that admin work behind the scenes, this is a great role for you. The link is in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Strive Health as an associate with the enrollment team. The shift is Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. So what you would do in this role, you will make inbound and outbound calls to educate patients about Strive Health services. You will schedule patient appointments and guide them through the enrollment process, as well as build trust with patients, answer questions, and address concerns with empathy. You will also document patient information accurately in the CRM systems while meeting performance goals. For this role, you must have 2 years of combined education experience or certification related to patient enrollment. You must have the ability to work 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. And you must also have experience with high volume calls, and CRM systems is preferred. For this role, the salary range starts at $23 ending at $26, which all depends on your location and experience. This is a great opportunity for candidates with patient enrollment or healthcare customer service experience. So if you're interested in the associate enrollment with Strive Health, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.